over on Easel's mining pool. That's where my Jazz Miner X16Q is, and it's been mining Ethereum Classic and Zilliqa. And the reason I started doing this is so I could take the Zilliqa that I'm mining and put it into a staking platform so it can gain additional Zilliqa, which will then equate to additional US dollars. So it's been doing really well. You can see as it's been sitting here, it's mined 12,000 Zilliqa. Along with that, I have some various other Ethereum Classic miners doing dual mining with Zilliqa over on K1 pool. You can see some iPolos, an older Jazz miner here, and those have generated 4,108 Zilliqa. So putting all that together is what I'm going to continue to put into staking. Now, I made a video on this. If you haven't checked it out, link up in the card above. When I first got into staking some Zilliqa, and at the time I deposited 4,843 Zilliqa into Zillion, which is the staking platform for Zilliqa. So before we go any further, I wanted to check out how much money I've made so far with that amount of Zilliqa, and then we're going to put some more in there and do some more calculations. And then later in this video, I'm going to go over the update that's happened on the Zilliqa network already that perhaps hurts Zilliqa staking, or maybe will help it in the long run if the price appreciates based on the change that's happened. First, let's go over to the platform and see my dashboard and how much Zilliqa rewards I've currently generated. So you can see my deposit that I put in right there a couple months ago, which has generated me 143.784 Zilliqa. So let's take that amount, head over to CoinGecko here. You can see the price of Zilliqa is probably right around the same price as a couple months ago, which is a little over 2 cents. So I'm going to take the amount I have, put it over in their converter here, and you can see that I've made a little over $3 USD in the last couple months by taking the Zilliqa that I mine and putting it into staking. And I know that seems like a really small amount, but it's better than if I just did nothing. So next thing we're going to do is look at how much Zilliqa I currently have. And we're going to go to my address here, and sitting in my address, this is just from mining since then, is 11,270 Zilliqa and change, which is actually quite a good amount. It's $245. So what I want to do now is take all of this Zilliqa that's been accumulating since then, and I'm going to enter it also into the staking platform to join the amount that I have there. So let's go over to Zilliqa staking. I'm going to go back over to the dashboard here. Clicking on Easel, they still have a great commission rate down to 4%, so I don't have to switch staking providers. And I'm going to take the amount that I have and just minus out 60 for the fee. So it's 11,210 that I'm going to send over to stake here. So we're going to do that. We're going to confirm in the Zil Pay, and then I got to confirm over on my ledger here as well. Cool, transaction sent, done. So now we're going to wait for that to show up on my dashboard. That was fast. All my Zilliqa is now over in the dashboard reflected here, a little over 16,000. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to put this in the staking calculator and just getting a rough idea of how much I'll be now making compared to before. So with that 16,000 Zilliqa, I'll be making an additional 5 Zilliqa every day and almost 2,000 Zilliqa every year from staking. And if we put that over into USD for the current value that Zilliqa is at, you can see every day I'll be making 12 cents. And every 30 days, I'm making $3.47. So every month, I'll be getting $3.47 in Zilliqa at the price that it currently exists at. So something has changed, though, and that makes this, we'll see. We're going to see what's going to happen here. So from January 16th, 2024, staking rewards will begin to reduce in line with the staking reward reduction proposal passed through a formal governance vote last year. So what has happened here is that Zilliqa is trying to intervene because it's currently exhibiting inflationary characteristics. And it wants to either settle that out or become a deflationary cryptocurrency. And so on July 31st, 2023, they did a proposal to start reducing the APR of Zilliqa staking down to 8% over a period of 15 months. And so this has already actually happened, and it's going to go down and down and down a little bit and little bit and little bit until it gets to that 8%. And so here's the calendar of what's happening right now. So you can already see this month, January 2024, as I'm recording this video, The staking APR is down to 11.24%, and it will continue to go down every month until it gets to its final resting place of 8.27%. And then from there, they can still change it if they wanted to, if it's not doing what they want, but its goal is to get it down to a zero inflation. So what does that mean for me or you if you were staking Zilliqa? It means you're going to get less Zilliqa, at least percent APR, than before, because it's creating too much, right? It's an inflationary currency right now, and it doesn't want that. And so what this also could mean, that could be bad. That could be bad. You're just getting less Zilliqa. If the price stays the same, that's just, you're not going to be making what you were making before. Though, if they're trying to be a zero inflation or deflationary cryptocurrency, the thought there too could be creating some scarcity, which then potentially will drive the price up. The price has been pretty stagnant since I've been paying attention to it while I've been doing this staking over the last several months. But maybe this change impacts things in a positive or potentially negative way as we go into the future. If you have thoughts about that, let me know down in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like button, sub to the channel. Take care of yourself, each other. See you in the next one.